So what's up guys, welcome to another video. So this one is going to be a quick one. So you just signed up for your business email, you just set it up and you're looking to have a signature on there. So this is just a quick way to just create your signatures. That's what we're going to be doing today. So stick around and yeah, let's watch this video. You can head over or you can Google search Signature Hound. That's where we're going to be creating our emails. It's this one, so you can click on that. All right, so you'll be prompted to sign up here. I've already got an account. Just click on create account and fill these spaces out, and then make sure you've got that on, that you've read the terms of service, and then click on create account. You might need to go confirm there by your email that this is your email. That once you've done that, you'll be on the dashboard. So I've already signed up here, so I'm just going to go to the dashboard and just sign in. Okay, so I've already just had one created here a while ago. I've been using this Signature Hound for some of my email accounts, so I thought I would share this with you guys. So what you want to do is click on create new signature. You need to give the signature a name. So I'm just creating one for my MpuksDigital Gmail account. So I'm just click on create. All right, so on the right hand side here, you're gonna see kind of what the layout of your email signature is gonna look like. So there's about 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs or 5 tabs here that we just need to quickly input information on. And yeah, so here under templates, you can scroll down and kind of change how you want your email signature to look. There's about, I think, about 6 different layouts that you can choose here. As you click on each one, it changes here. So just pick one that you feel best suits you. I'm just going to choose this vertical one, and then I'm going to go to personal information. Right, so you can input your name here. A job title. So as you're typing here, you can see on the right hand side here, it's actually updating at the same time. So I'm just going to put content creator and department. I don't have a department, maybe I'll say management here, but you put whatever department that you want to be under. And then here I'm just going to put my email. So I will put my info at MpuksDigital.co.za. So that's where they're going to be emailing me. As you can see, it's already updated here. And then here you can put your phone numbers that you'll be available on. So if you want to remove, you want to clear, you can click clear. If you want to remove one, you just press this. So there's only one now shown here. If you want to add, send mobile number or my number, just click on that plus button, select, and then click on that plus button. So I'm just going to put this number. And as you can see, it's all updated here. So now I'm going to move to the business information. You can place a logo there and you can change the size. All right, so put your company details here. Mine is going to be MpuksDigital company, and then put your address for your business. All right. And here is a map URL. If you want to put a map URL, that's all up to you. Then here put your website address. So if people want to go to your website, so mine is just digital.co.za. All right, and then here you can put all your social media. I'm just gonna, and you can just move it by going to the corner here and then just dragging up and dragging up. So I do want to have my Facebook and YouTube at the top there. I don't have a LinkedIn. I don't want to put a LinkedIn or Twitter. So let me just get my links clear here. Put my links for my YouTube channel, paste it, and then I'm just gonna. Alright, you can also just select if there's anything else that you want to add here, your Google, your LinkedIn, your TikTok. So it just adds there. Scroll down, so Linktree, there's a whole list there that you can add. Okay, so let's go to design, which is the next one. So here you can vertically align everything as you're seeing there, and switch it off. You can swap logo and image. If you want your logo to be at the top and your photo to be at the bottom, if you don't want to show these icons over here, you can switch them off. You can also change the icon type for your email, for your information, whether you want round or just letters. I'm just gonna keep mine as default. You can change your icon size if you want it to be more bigger. I'm just gonna keep mine at 18. You can also change your icon types here. So this is default, this is square. If you want it round, it's up to you. All right, you can also change your icon size here, make them smaller, make them bigger. You can show the dividing lines if you want to, switch them on, switch them off. You can also say how thick you want your dividing lines to be. So it's quite intuitive and easy to just put together. It's quick, it's free. So theme color also, if you want to change the theme color to something else, you can change that. If you've got your theme colors, your icon colors, if you want to change them to something else. So as you can see, if I'm going maybe purple, they're going to be changing to purple. If you want to change your icon, social media icons also, and change them to purple, something towards your own colors, change them here. And whatever color also you change it to, it kind of gets saved here. So if I go to the top, it's still here too. So that's nice. And text color, link color. So you can change a lot of the colors of here. So that's up to you. Yeah, I normally just leave it like this. Also, you can just take this created by signature hound off. So just make sure you switch that off so that when you do copy this, it doesn't come with that. So if you have a call to action button too, you can just upload that maybe for people to subscribe to your course or whatever you're going to be doing. And a disclaimer, the last bit, which obviously is very important for legal purposes for your emails, that you're only sending it to the person that you are sending it to. So if you receive this by mistake, basically you need to delete it or you can't forward it to someone else. So this is very important. So if you do have your own, just input your disclaimer here, which will go down at the bottom here. So I just left the images and images last because sometimes I know people want to put different images on there and that takes time. So I'd say just go through all the text bit and complete all of that and then come back to the images which you're going to upload, which is going to be the last bit. So I'm only going to be uploading my logo here, which will go to the top there. So I'm uploading just my MpuksDigital logo, which will be cropped to a circle, as you can see. So basically, this is my email signature. I am ready to add it to my Gmail account. Okay, so this placeholder actually shows if you don't put anything there. Maybe you like this layout, but you don't want to put anything here. So if you go to your signature, go to business info, and here they say show placeholder. So if we uncheck that, it's going to take that off. And I think it's better just leaving that off if you're not going to be putting a image there. Just make sure that placeholder logo is switched off. So if you're happy, so it auto saves, everything auto saves. You don't need to click a save button. Everything auto saves. Once you're done, you can go back to the dashboard by clicking this hound. But if you are going to be installing the signature, we need to click here on install signature. So what we want to do is click on install signature. We are going to be installing it on Gmail for web. So it's click here, and basically it tells you what to do, but I'm going to show you guys this. The only important part here is to just copy the signature. So let's first go to our Gmail. So on our Gmail here, we want to click on the gear icon. We want to click on see all settings. So under general, you want to scroll down to here. Signatures. So click on create new. Give it a signature name. So this will be just my MpuksDigital signature. And then just click on create. All right, so this is just a list of your signatures. If you have more than one, you can have that. Obviously, if you have multiple accounts under your Gmail, you can have multiple signatures. And also here you can also create multiple signatures. So under here, you basically need to paste that signature. That's why we go back to signature hound and let's say copy the signature. We just copied it, and then now we just need to paste it. So now our signature doesn't have this image placeholder at the bottom here. And yeah, again, make sure that you've got new email use as MpuksDigital signature, and click on save. So when you are composing, it's gonna show up like so. Isn't that nice? So say, hey, how are you? Maybe let's send it to our admin at BuyCloud. Email again. This is the email signature tester, just to see how it actually looks, and then click send. All right, so let's head over to our BuyCloud email, see what our signature looks like. Here's that email signature test. So here we just need to allow, because this round cube is actually the worst, not the best to show. One would need to allow here. So let's just click on this. So this is how our signature looks from our Gmail. So name, a designation, and obviously if you click here, it's going to take us to our website, right? And obviously if we click our social media links, it's going to take us to our social media pages, all of these, YouTube channel, yeah. So yeah, that is it. You can obviously close that. So you can obviously create more than one signature. Just go back to the dashboard by clicking the hound here. Yeah, so you can create more signatures here if you want to. I'm not too sure what the limit is. But yeah, this is the easiest way that I've been able to create email signatures. I think it's going to be easy for you guys too. It'll make your email more professional with all that added information that's quickly just done there. Also, if you want to see a video on how to put this on your Outlook or whatever mail client that you're using, let me know. But it's also easy because you click on install signature and pick the mail client that you want to send it to, want to copy it to, and copy and paste it there. But if you need a video, I'll do that. I don't mind doing that. So under install signature, you can also just click where you want to copy and paste this too. Yeah. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and share this video. I'm sure there's people out there looking to just make their business a bit more professional by installing a signature. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.